Step into a world where my creative vision comes to life before your eyes. Watch as I meticulously craft a beautiful woman adorned with delicate flowers and leaves. Each stroke a reflection of my passion and skill. With a graceful word as her companion, this illustration celebrates the harmony between humanity and nature, a testament to my dedication to merging beauty and imagination. Join me on this mesmerizing journey of creativity and design. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel